But Ranveer Singh के लिए everyone तालियां. But who's doing this woo?
S here. You said Alia, no? So I said woo.
No. I said Talia.
Okay, but can I say something S?
Now you should. Now that you started, yeah.
Yeah. मुझे लगता है ना कि आपको थोड़ा कूल होके ये शो होस्ट करना चाहिए.
Oh really?
Yeah. Actually, मुझे लगता है कि इसलिए आपको होस्ट डिसऑर्डर की बीमारी हो गई. Stop being a kidal, dude. Don't act like a Trem Bomber in front of these future shenanigans. Just crash our squad.
What the hell are you saying? What are you saying?
It's the language of the US.
I know US, United States. बहुत बार नंगा किया मुझको वहाँ पर उन लोगों ने.
नहीं. Language of us.
Oh, you mean
us.
US, like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
The basics, US.
कुछ out of the blue करो ना ऐसा.
क्या करूं? जैसे?
अपनी पैंट उतारो. Come on.
I am not going to do this, Alia.
Enough of your optical illusions.
What do you, मैं ऐसा थोड़ा ना करूंगा आलिया यहाँ पे पब्लिक के सामने.
Come on. Off with your pants. Actually ना मुझे Instagram पे selfie नहीं belfie डालना है. Now you'll ask me what's a belfie? Bum का selfie.
I am not going to do this, Alia. ये फैमिली शो है और सारी फैमिलीज तुम्हारी फैमिली की तरह एजी नहीं है. You know what? You come on stage और मैं तुमको बताऊंगा कि लोगों से कैसे मुखातिब होते हैं, तमीज से, तहजीब से कैसे पेश आते हैं. Please come on the stage.
I come on stage?
Yeah, please.
Oh, cool me.
Okay, finally, तालियां for Alia. तुम क्या कर रही हो?
मैं ये कह रही थी कि आपका होस्टिंग स्टाइल थोड़ा पुराना हो गया. No offense.
No offense.
Yeah.
Not at all. शानदार रिलीज होने के बाद भी अब तुम मुझको एक्टिंग और होस्टिंग सिखाओगी. I mean, really.
Talk to the hand,
Yeah,
talk to the fist, because I ain't listening.
All right. I don't understand that, but you know what I'm saying is कि ऐसा करते हैं कि जो अगला सेगमेंट है तुम और मैं साथ में होस्ट करते हैं. And let's see your style, this chicka chicka pa 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 ta. Is that it? और जैसे मैं करता हूँ. Is that all good?
Home slice?
घर का टुकड़ा.
Oh man, friend, partner, homie.
Home's like a part of the home, and you just. I got that.
It's okay, guys.
I got that. Yeah. Thank you very much, Alia. And ladies and gentlemen.
He means homies and bays.
No, I don't mean homies and bays. I mean, ladies and gentlemen. अगला अवार्ड देने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा जो presenters हैं. The gentleman, really wonderful person, Mr. Ayushman Khurana and Mr. Sunil Dutt, President Reliance Retail.
Good evening, everybody. The Best Debut Award, Actress, goes to the girl who was a big part of my last film. And she truly deserves the Best Newcomer. Bhumi Pednekar for Dum Laga Ke Haisha.
You slay girls! Go Bhumi!
Yo, baby! You slay, yo! I got you.
Congo Bhumi, you totally deserve it.
Yo, Congo! Yeah, that's very good. And Congo to mom and dad too. Well done, Bhumi.
So, अगला award है for the best debut actor male.
One second. The next award is for Babe Magnet. Debut male. I got
Nice
that.
one.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah.
one. Good one. Good one.
Yeah. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage the handsome, this wonderful young man.
Fawad Khan.
And the award goes to Suraj Pancholi.
You slay, Alia.
Ah, you slay boy.
Hello, Shahrukh sir. Hi.
Wow, you can slay me too. Yeah.
Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, Salman sir. Thank you to my parents.
Thank you.
I want to ask you one thing. कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जिसके बिना तुम जी नहीं सकती?
Instagram, Twitter, my Urban Dictionary.
Yeah, I should have really guessed. Yeah.
ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिसके बिना तुम नहीं रह सकती?
मुझे I don't know. Maybe my phone. You know, kind of comes handy.
Okay, so I have a question. अगर आपको अपने फोन में एक cool, interesting app या quality डालना हो, like me,
Yeah.
तो वो क्या होगा?
I don't know. I mean, I actually, you know what? I like to keep my fingers free. So I would like to have like a active voice control that I can do everything with the voice. आवाज से मैं सब कुछ कर सकूं, so I can, you know, do this, pick my nose and stuff like that.
Okay, fine. So you can keep your fingers free. I have a hamper for you. Hamper लाइए, please.
Oh, lovely.
Here. You want to know what it is?
Please tell me.
This is your very own life smartphones hamper. What do you have to say?
Ta-da. Jio, Mukesh bhai, Jio.
Cut! Superb!
Thank you very much. Thank you.
One day.
I'm really enjoying this, Alia. You know, तुम्हारे साथ मैं यहाँ पे स्टेज पे आया, मैंने काफी cool चीजें सीख ली हैं.
Yeah.
And I think before you leave, the audience would like us to do a little something on stage so that, you know, we kind of take this forward.
Okay, how?
तुमको शायद मालूम है कि मैं king of romance हूँ, so I would like to do one of my songs for you, just for you.
Okay, show me what you got.
I got सूरज हुआ मध्यम.
थोड़ा आगे का सोचो, you know, सूरज मध्यम हो गया, अभी क्या? क्योंकि हम मेरे स्टाइल में कर रहे हैं, you know, थोड़ा सा नया करना चाहिए.
You're not feeling it, yeah?
No, youth-centric, come on. Okay, I got it. Saturday.
Of course, Saturday, romantic
Meaningful.
song. For Alia, I do anything for you. Let's go, Saturday on the first date.
Okay.
पहले तो कुड़ी नु एक राम काम लेके जाओ, टची सीधी होके थोड़ा पॉपकॉर्न भी खिलाओ. उसके बाद क्लब जाके बार टॉप पे टल्ली होके ट्वर्किंग करना जरूरी है. ट्वर्किंग सबको बची है देखो Saturday, क्या बज रही है देखो Saturday. सूरज होगा मध्यम ये तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है. फिर डिस्को लाइट जलेंगी क्योंकि लंबी चौड़ी रात है. बाहें यूं फैलाओगे तो 10-12 चिपक जाएंगी. बस एक ही पे फोकस रखो, आफ्टर पार्टी काम आएगी. सेल्फी बूथ ढूंढो और डिम्पल शिम्पल फ्लैश करो. फिर इंस्टाग्राम FB का स्टेटस रिहैश करो. डीजे कंसोल पे चढ़ेंगे हम दोनों और शैंपेन शावर में नहाना है. Saturday, fooling around, baby, Saturday, new moon about, baby, Saturday, fooling around, baby, Saturday, fooling around, baby, Saturday, new moon about, baby, Saturday, we make funny sounds, baby.
Thank you very much. That
You
was-
had fun?
I mean, really, too much fun. And I want to thank you for being so sporting, coming and doing this. But before that, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, जो ये shadows में हो रहा था, उसमें आलिया और मैं बिल्कुल नहीं थे.
हाँ, हम लोग पिलाटेस कर रहे थे.
हम लोग इस साइड में यहाँ पर खड़े हुए थे, पिलाटेस कर रहे थे. लेकिन ये बेबी हमारा है.
अच्छा?
He's so cute. He looks like Bhatt Saab, no?
नाक थोड़ी लंबी है.
हाँ, but लगते हैं वैसे.
हाँ.
But you know what? हमारे ज़माने में, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please give up for Alia Bhatt for being so wonderful and coming and co-hosting this with me. Let's hear the roundest loud of applause for this wonderful, brilliant actress, Alia Bhatt.
Thank you, SR. The first time I was hosting and I got to host with Shah Rukh Khan. Come on, can I ask for anything else?
No.
Can I ask for anything else?
Thank you, Alia. Let's give them a nice old-fashioned bow. Yeah, okay. All right. Thank you very much. Have a very great evening. Thank you very much, everyone.